Hey guys, I'm Marta Geek. In this video I have an unboxing and hands-on look of a budget microphone that was sent to me a couple weeks ago so I can try it out and make a video for you guys. So here it is. This right here is the TONOR microphone TC-777 USB condenser microphone that was sent to me, of course, so I can try it out, make a video for you guys. So that's what I'm doing in this video. Keep in mind, I already did record a video gameplay using just this microphone, and I was referencing this microphone. So this is the video following up that gameplay so you guys can have an idea. Over here in the box you have the specifications if you want to pause the video so you can read a little bit more about it. Of course, polar pattern is a cardioid, sample rate, frequency response, sensitivity, you have it right there, output, you have it right there, max SPL, I don't know what the hell is that, and so on, so on. So if you want to pause the video, you could go do it like that, and that's it. So when you take this microphone out of the box, let's go and show you guys what's in it. You got some instruction manuals, and keep in mind this microphone actually has 2 years of warranty. It's even here in the box as well. 2 years of warranty. Comes with this filter. It also comes with this other filter so you can put over the mic itself, and the mic itself right here is actually attached. The cable is actually attached to the microphone, so you cannot detach the cable from the microphone. But the cable is around 1.5 meter in long, and of course it's USB, so that means you can connect this to the PlayStation 4 or any PC or laptop as well. It will not work with your smartphone or anything like that. Here it also comes attached to this mini tripod right there, with mini tripod, which is convenient because the microphone itself does not have a mount, so they also included this shock mount so it can hold up the mic. Like, see there, it holds up the mic right there, and it doesn't matter what kind of movement you do, it won't affect or make any noise whatsoever because it has like rubber. And this, like you see there, this can be bouncing around and all that, and it's not gonna make any noise whatsoever on the mic when you're actually recording. So that's the cool thing about this. You can also detach this right here, this mount, from the little tripod right there using a Phillips screwdriver, and you can attach this to a boom mic. So if you have like one of those holders that you can put your microphone above your head, yes, you can actually do that as well, because it already comes with the mount right here, which is the shock mount. And of course, here's where you're gonna put the filter, this filter right here, right? And that's it. So I know I almost never use a microphone with filters. With this one, I've been actually using only this filter, but of course you can also use this filter as well if you want. But honestly, I just like to use it like that. I have no problems whatsoever using it like that. But if you're one of those that do require using this, you have it for free included with the price, which of course I haven't mentioned yet. The cool thing about this device is that with all this, that it comes in the box, and the microphone actually works pretty damn good. You're only paying around $40 for it. When I received this, it was actually $39.99. Today, before I actually started making this video, it was up to $42.99. So I don't know, for some reason it's been going up in price on Amazon, but I'll leave links in my descriptions. So just in case you're interested in getting it, you could get it from there. But like I said, it's around $40. But you get all this. You get a microphone that actually sounds really damn good, and I'm just gonna show you guys right now how it sounds. I'll be doing an unboxing and hands-on look on the microphone that I'm using right now, and that way you guys can have this video for reference and on how the quality of the sound actually sounds. I'm not gonna be altering this video recording or the audio recording of my voice picked up with the mic. I'm not gonna be doing any adjustments whatsoever. So what you get, it's the default volume that it picks up my voice using. Of course, I'm using Adobe Premiere to record my voiceover over the gameplay that I played here on the Nintendo Switch. So that right there was just a little sample of the gameplay that I recorded using this microphone, and it sounds pretty damn good, like you see right there. And I was actually using Adobe Premiere, and I didn't have to do any adjustments whatsoever to the microphone or to the audio recorded from the microphone, which is awesome. Now keep in mind, like I said before in my prior video, this is a cardioid microphone. That means that the only noise that it receives, or the only audio that it records, is the audio coming from in front of the microphone. And if you're like podcasting, playing video games, or doing voiceover for video games, or doing voice calls or voice meetings, that's all you need. You don't really need to be looking for other modes out there. Let me go ahead and take this out. Separate this from this mount right here. We can go ahead and take it out right here, so you can have a little better look at the microphone itself. So we gotta take that out, and here's the microphone. There you go. So there's the microphone right there. This right here, even though it does look like steel or metal, it's actually all plastic. It's actually all plastic. Right here it says made in China right there, but you know, looks pretty damn good. And you know, once you keep it on the mount, on the tripod, I don't think you're gonna be taking this out anytime soon from the tripod. Once you have it set it up, of course, it's missing some features that you would find on more expensive microphones. Like the microphone that I've been using a lot for making videos is the Blue Yeti microphone, this microphone right here. And like you see, this microphone has these buttons, the mute button, the volume button, has the audio gain button, and it has the mode pattern button right there. So of course, this microphone costs around $130, I think it is. Sometimes you could get it on sale for $100, but this microphone only has one pattern, and it's cardioid. It does not have a mute button, which kind of sucks, right? It would have been nice if it had like a mute button or an on-off button. But it does not have any button whatsoever. If you actually need to make adjustments to the volume that it's actually recording your voice, you can do that on whatever software you're recording your videos on. You can lower it up or down the decibels, and that's how you could control the volume that you're recording from this microphone. If you need to lower it down or maybe pump it up a little bit more, that's what you can do if you actually need to. But the sound itself sounds really damn good. Like you saw right there, playing some video games, it sounds excellent in my opinion. The other negative thing about this mouse is that if you want to hook up this mouse to another tripod or to a boom mic without this right here, you cannot. You would actually have to use this mount right here, which is the shock mount. You know, like I said before, take that out and attach that shock mount to whatever, a tripod or whatever you want to, because you cannot take out this cable. You know, you can't take this cable out. I believe you can. I never tried, but I believe you cannot. That is totally attached there. So I believe you cannot take that microphone, that cable from there. I don't want to damage it. Of course, like you see here on the video, I also did test it out with a free software that you can download, which is called Audacity, and it's totally free and it's very popular. A lot of people use it. So you can see here on the video, I'm going to show you guys a little sample that I did. You can actually use it to record in stereo mode, or you can actually use Audacity to actually record in mono. Okay, so now I'm recording this video in mono mode. So there's only one channel being recorded. I normally like to record in stereo mode, but a lot of people do prefer to record audio in mono. So this is how it sounds. Other than that, guys, like I said, I think honestly for the price that you're paying here, I think it's a totally good price, because it's just $40, you know. And if you're starting to record like videos for YouTube and all that, and you're looking for a cheap microphone that you can invest, and also comes with the tripod, you know, comes with this tripod right here. It comes with the mount right here, which if you don't want to use the mount with this tripod right there, you could just detach, you know, take the shock mount out and hook this anywhere else, right? And that's it. So you put that right there. Has some rubbers. This right here has some rubbers here in the bottom. There you go. Go it through. There you go. Perfectly mounted there. This tripod is very small. It's like one of those 4 inches tripod. But if you want to have it very well secured, it's better if you spread it out like that. You know, this right here would be looking forward to you. When you heard the video recording for Assassin's Creed, I was actually using only this filter alone by itself. I did not use this other filter. But like I said, if you're one of those that like to use filters like this, you can actually use it as well. Honestly, I think if you're looking for a cheap, good microphone and you're starting to make videos for YouTube, or you need a microphone so you could hook it up to make voice calls or voicemails or Zoom meetings or meet Google meetings, this is a great microphone as well. Very, very cheap. So other than that, guys, thanks for watching this video. Like I said, I already did record a video gameplay, and I'm gonna leave the video gameplay attached to the videos. That way, if you want to listen to a whole gameplay recorded with this microphone, that's a good reference video you can have right there. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Till next time. Bye-bye.